Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw the care emoji from Facebook. So let's get started. To draw this emoji, I'm going to use this bull here as my circle template just because I'm drawing really big and it just makes it so much easier, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and trace this bull here. Okay, so we have a nice round circle. Now we can come in and start to draw the emoji. So let's start by drawing the arms of the emoji, and I'm going to start on this side first. So I'm going to kind of go around where the center of this circle is in this area, and I'm going to drag a curve kind of towards the center as well. So let's start about right here, and just going to draw a soft curve coming towards the center about right there, and I'm going to draw a thumb, round it off, and come down. Start to draw the palm area. But before I finish that, I'm going to come to the other side. So using this as my guide, I'm going to go straight across and then slightly higher. So say about right here. And I'm going to bring a curve all the way down. To this part right here. And then draw a thumb as well. So I'm just going to finish this part off right there. So now we have our two hands in from the top parts. So then from here, I'm going to start and draw the bottom of this hand. So it's just a big curve that I'm going to bring back to here. So it's thicker right about here, and then it's going to get thinner as we go up. And then on this side, let's finish this side. So about, let's come about right here. So bring this up a little bit more. About right here, I'm just going to bring in a curve and tuck it in. Make this a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw the heart. So using the center area, this thumb, I'm just going to say come up about right here and just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw the heart. So I'm going to go up and tuck in this curve right here. So I'm just leaving enough space for the eyes and the mouth. So don't go too high up, just about in that area. And then we're going to draw the other side. So I'm just going to tilt my body and drag this point across, so about right here. And draw the other side. And then I'm going to use this as my guide, come straight down for my angle. So right here, and we're going to bring this down, overlapping, and come down to this point. So same thing, just imagine it going through. So about right there, just approximate and connecting. There, so we have our heart in. So then now let's bring it to life. We're going to come right above this heart right here, and we're going to draw a circle. This circle could be a little bit more ovalish to make it more sweet, I guess. So we got oval in here, and then we're going to draw another oval. So just come right across about right here, and same thing. So two ovals in, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes, of course. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. And we're following the tilt, so I'm going to come up here and shade it in. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so 2 eyes. I'm going to adjust this one a tiny bit. Okay, so then from there we're going to come to the top of the eyes and draw a curve for the eyebrow. Thicken it up. And same thing over here. And then right in the center right here, we're going to give a smile. So about right here. Sweet smile. And you can thicken it up. So now that the drawing part is pretty much done, let's start to color it. And today I'm going to be using some markers and color pencil to bring it to life. So let's get started. So there, hope you love how this emoji turned out. That was inspired by Facebook's Care emoji that was created for the COVID-19 pandemic. Remember, cuties, to stay kind, stay sweet, of course, and to spread love all around. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.